y'all checking in. I'm here with my guy, Jelly Roll. Tell them what's going on, man. Tell them what's going on.
Hey, I'm just, man, you know, just doing, making little kids pay with the car, man.
So what we got? So what is it, man? I know it's a Ford. You know I ain't no Ford guy, but I support all my Ford guys, man.
It's a 97 Thunderbird with a small block Ford.
97 Thunderbird with a small block Ford. Look at that.
Pop good real quick.
You shined up, though. Shined up, though. Hey, what you sound like? Ah, man, you ain't got no passenger seat.
Hey, don't open it up, man.
Man, ain't even got no passenger seat for me. You know, cars like this we call shit boxes. Shit boxes. Yeah, shit boxes be pretty much anything. Yeah. Small block Ford, what you normally mess with?
Man, you know, I used to fuck with them 2 valves, man. I had 2 valves. I had 2 valves in this car.
Still a Ford, man.
Hold on, man. What you mean?
Still a Ford.
What that mean?
Still a Ford.
What does that mean?
F-O-R-D, found on road D.
First on race day.
Oh, Lord, there you go. First on race day.
Shit, Bob. I mean, it's still gonna turn the engine on.
So when you gonna be ready to go and start gapping the motherfucker?
I don't know about gapping for it. I mean, I gotta put tags on it, put a cooling fan on it.
You gonna be spraying?
Nope, not at all.
Ain't gonna spray?
Nope.
See, every Ford guy I know, they always tell me they spraying. So why you choose not to spray?
I see what I can do on motor first.
What else you got to do with the size of fans and everything else?
You know, I gotta make sure it's good. You see that thing, got the book.
You got to tighten the rear end on there. You got to tighten the rear end on there, General.
It looks like that motherfucker, can't it?
Yeah. Tell them where to follow you at. Instagram, Facebook,
just follow me on Facebook. J1 Small Block Field.
AKA, he gonna be changing the name J-Roll on us so everybody can find him. Yeah. Yeah.
You used to see these tail lights.
He said somebody get used to the tail light. I knew it ain't gonna be me. So he ain't fucking with me. Let you know this and that. Then I'm gonna give him 2 cars. I'm gonna give him 2 cars.
Okay.
2 of them. So he number 3 on my list for 2020, so he need to be getting his shit in gear. You gonna be gap tied.
Gap tag, gap beat on your way.
On your ass, you heard it. So click, like, subscribe, do all that. Make sure you follow my guy. Real cool dude. He a young head. Working on these fools and shit. So I know if I get a fool, I know who to call.
I might go get this Monday.
You should have paid your lesson, that motherfucker. Should have went on here with 5-3 with some dope on. But he ain't want to listen to me. So he gonna learn to listen like gap tied.
You got another guy right here.
Yeah, what you say? At least it sound fast. He got that right.
Get on your way. You ain't got nothing running right now. You ain't got nothing. Hey, go ahead then. You made me throw it back together. You ain't got nothing running right now.
I try you in my Jeep with that slow ass small block fool. And I let you leave. I'm gonna hit you with the launch control. Cause you ain't get it, son. I'm gonna give you all 295 ponies. Cause that's all you get, about 210.
Did about 210.
We drive them bags up the interstate. Work out down there every day, we got plenty way. When it about business, they finna play. Hit the pay just to make sure that the business straight. How to get paid, let me demonstrate. Nothing but bread on my dinner plate.